Hi everybody, today I'm going to make a few different types of one of my kids' favorite snacks, Spam Musubi. Let's start by making the classic musubi first. To make this, we need marinated spam, a sheet of seaweed, steamed rice, and furikake, which is a mix of seaweed and toasted sesame seed. For the marinade, grab 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of low sodium soy sauce, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and simmer these together for 5 minutes. Let the spam marinate for 30 minutes, then cook it in a non-stick pan until caramelized. Let's grab your musubi mold and start assembling your spam musubi. I'll leave a link in the info box if you don't have one. Next, we're going to make a crispy spam musubi. I'm going to coat it in flour, then egg, then panko breadcrumbs. Now we're going to fry the coated musubi at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. You can test the oil by putting a wooden chopstick or spoon into the oil, and if it bubbles, it's ready. I also made an egg-free version with an oatmeal batter for my kids with an egg allergy that came out great. Give me a thumbs up and comment below if you try it out. The Spam Musubi with kimchi, egg, and gochujang is one of my favorites. I'm going to use plain spam for this version. I also like to cook the kimchi for the added toasty flavor. Whisk 2 eggs together and cook it in a pan like you're making an omelet. You can check out my omelet video on my channel. Once it's cooked, cut the egg to the size of the musubi mold and then assemble. Lastly, we're going to make one with Bonito Flake. You can shave your own like I am, or buy pre-shaved Bonito Flakes. This will give it a little bit of a smoky, fishy flavor. And that's it. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe. And follow me on my Instagram at A Chef and a Spoon. Till next time.